Welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change the shade color of your stock image. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more design tips and inspiration. Don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment below. And to my returning viewers, thank you so much for your continuous support. Okay, now let's head straight to PixelLab to get started. Okay, this is PixelLab, and the first thing we'll be doing now is to delete the default text. And after we've done that, we'll be importing the image we'll be using for this particular video. Okay, we'll be making use of this image, and next I will just go ahead and reduce it like this and add to the image to add to the design space. Okay, so after I've done that, I'll be increasing the relative size. Okay, let me say 90, and after we've increased the size, the next thing is to go over to relative position and adjust it at the center. Okay, so before I continue, I'll be changing the background color to white. Go over to color and just be selecting white. Okay, so after you've imported your image, the next thing we'll be doing now is to copy this image. We'll duplicate it, so we'll come over and click on copy, and this one we copied will be turning off the visibility like this. Okay, let's just go ahead and we'll select this other one. So after selecting this initial image we imported, the next thing we'll be doing now is to go over to the color filters. We'll head over to color filters, and from here we'll be adjusting the hue to any color you want. Let's say, okay, let me just use a brighter color. Okay, let me just make use of purple. Okay, so after you've chosen the color you want, the next thing you want to do now is to go over to your eraser tool. So you go over to eraser, and from here, okay, we'll be zooming in. Okay, let's say it like this, zooming in. So what we want to achieve now, we want to erase the part, like the skin part from this particular image. We'll be erasing all the parts that are not red, like we'll be erasing the skin and everything. Okay, so this is how we do it. I'll just increase the size like this gradually, and you need to be very careful here so you don't erase the necessary parts. Okay, and from here I'll gradually, let me reduce the size, I'll gradually erase this. We'll do it gradually so we don't get to erase the part we actually need for this particular image. And you have to be careful at the edges like this. You need to be very careful. So from here I'll do it gradually. Okay, in case you are not really seeing what you are working on, I'll advise you zoom in so you can see it clearly. Okay, now I can go ahead to increase the size and smoothen up this place. I think I've made a mistake here, so just zoom in carefully. Okay, and I think we are done for the face. So after that, we'll be moving over to the hand now, and for here we'll just, let me reduce this and take the image up a little bit. Okay, so for the hand we'll just carefully do it also so we don't delete or we don't erase the wanted part. So for changing the stock image of the color, I'll say this is the main part, or this is the main work you have to do so you can achieve something nice. Okay, we'll do the same for the other side. Okay, let me take this image up, and just have to be really careful here. Okay, and we are done for that. Okay, let me just click on good. So this is what we achieved. This is what we actually achieved from erasing. Let me zoom in so you can see. This is what we achieved after erasing. Okay, so now the next thing to do is to lock this image we erase some part, to lock it, and we'll turn on the visibility of the other image we duplicated. And after we've done that, I'll click on it, and we'll be centralizing it. We'll centralize it using the relative position. So, and now we'll be sending it to back, and this is it. Perfect. Let me zoom in. Perfect. So this is how to change the shirt color of your stock image. Okay, let me use another color so you will understand. So this is the okay, let me log this. So this is the image we change the stock color. So if you want to rechange it, you just have to go over to color filters, and you play around, just play around with this hues until you get the desired color of your choice. Okay, we can also use this color. Okay, so this is how to change the shirt color of your stock image. So if you gain value from this video, don't forget to like, comment, and turn on the notification bell.